Welcome back. We've got Jasmine Kyle in studio this morning. I keep teasing that Michael's going to be in the doghouse Friday night, but I think we'll be fine. I think we'll be fine for the art walk. And
we've got over 20, so he could get room for it. So.
He could put his front half in one and the back half in another, yes. Let's talk about these dog houses built by fifth graders.
Yeah, which is mind-blowing. We were very lucky to be able to meet with the kids a few weeks ago and see the houses in person. And as you can see, they're stunning. I mean, it is insane. And these are fifth graders, y'all, that are making these full-size dog houses from scratch. And it doesn't just start with the large made projects. It's a math project. This was all funded and made possible by the Pritchett Grant Committee, but these kids first have to present a model. So they draw up the big scale production and then they have to scale it down. They have to go backwards and do decimals, fractions, the whole 9 yards and present that first. And then after that point, then becomes the production of the larger items. And there's so many parties involved in this project. And one of them was the PSU art department. As you can see, these houses are beautiful. The kids have used different styles and techniques and painting tips from the PSU art department to make them visually appealing, and every house has a different story. We walked in that day with a puppy named after SpongeBob characters, and there was literally a Bikini Bottom SpongeBob house. There's of course a lot of lakeside themed ones, but they're amazing, and the pictures don't show it, but they shingle these houses. It's not a simple project where, yes, you know, they come up and put the pieces together and then they have adults, you know, do the final touches. These kids do everything from start to finish, from nailing to hammering to shingling, and they are stunning. These kids are so proud of what they have made from their own hands, and 100% of these dog houses, they are going up for auction at the Pittsburgh Art Walk. They are teaming up with us this Friday. We'll be there, and those houses, I believe there's 22 to be exact, and they'll be there for the public to see from 5 p.m. to 7. You got 2 hours to come see them. And then at 7 o'clock, our next party, Myra's Auctioneer Service, we will be auctioning them off live to the public. So you will be able to take a home that night. But we also had another partner, Pure Looks Dog Food Company. They're donating dog food on top of it. So not only will you get an amazing, stunning, high quality dog house, you're also getting a free bag of food on top of it. We are so blessed to have so many parties come together, not only to support this project and the kids and what they are doing for the community, but to have these proceeds go to our animal shelter right now. It's a very truly touching moment, to say the least.
And if you don't have a dog to put in a dog house, you can also find them at the Art Walk as well.
Yes, exactly. So not only are we having this very special event, but we're also returning to Art Walk. We will have our very own booth at the event, just like in old past times. We'll have our information booth and table there, and we're also going to have some fur babies. We're going to have some canines at the event. Montana, who's been on before, he's planned to be at the event. We have an amazing Border Collie mix, Crystal. She's stunning. She will be at this event, and we're talking about bringing some puppies as well, looking for fosters and fosters to adopt. They are Bernedoodle puppies. They are just a few months old, and they're Mountain Bernese mountain dog mixes. They are so cute. And during this event, not only can you come up and find more information about them, you can check them out at the event. We'll require your name, your license, and then a contact number, and you can walk them throughout the event and socialize them. And if you're walking them, we'll have actual bio cards. So if somebody comes up and sees their adoption uniform on, you can actually be like, hey, you know, I'm walking this dog right now for the Humane Society, but hey, this is where they're at. Here's this dog's information. So not only are you having a good time socializing with an amazing dog, but you're also helping spread information about them too.
That's awesome. Yeah, help him find a new home.
Exactly.
All right, and then maybe they want to get a doghouse to go with them as well.
We hope so. That would be amazing.
So you said all the funds from these dog houses, once they're sold, goes back to the Humane Society. So we need as many people to attend this auction as possible.
Please, because again, these houses, I cannot tell you, we got to see them firsthand. They are so good. These kids have done so much detailing to them. We're talking painting ombres. There was one house that looked like wooden planks, like white ash oak, and I was like, what is that? And they had hand painted that. I mean, taken hours to do that. These kids have made these houses into art themselves. It is so beautiful. So if you are looking for a dog house, not only to have a dog house, but to looking at an addition to your They're great. And even if you don't have a dog house, but maybe your neighbor has been needing one, come out, come look at them. There is so many to choose from. And then sometimes we will have people who bid on them that donate them towards families as well. So there's lots of options for this auction.
There you go. And again, the auction will be held, and the doghouse is set up at 4th and Broadway.
Right. Yep, 4th and Broadway. You will not miss us. There's over 22 of these bad boys, and we'll have our event on top of it, but we're going to be right at the beginning of 4th Street in front of Brick and Mortar.
So come and check them out between 5 and 7, and then be there at 7 for the live auction.
Yep.
All right, sounds great. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
And hope you guys have a wonderful Friday.
We're excited.
All right, we'll be right back.